Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amit Devkure. I'm a life balance coach, master spirit life coach, executive leadership coach, and an emotional intelligence practitioner for last many years. After a long time, I'm in front of you like this, and today I just want to talk about one very important aspect. When we say that I want to transform in life, so what do you mean by you want to transform in life? Because see, I always say that if you want to transform, it has to be 360-degree. It cannot be just one way, because the way we say in Marathi parivartan, transformation, it's not it's not that easy, and for that you really need to have more courageous perspective in life. And to transform, what you should start doing is, first of all, I would say, I'll just try to put in front of you few aspects which are very important to transform. The first is, start testing yourself. At every step you're doing something, you're experimenting with something, and you're trying to test yourself that how you can survive, right? Then I would say that uh, ratification of you know promise giving to yourself, right? I would rather put it in different language, that ratification of, I would say, that self realization, where it is like an agreement with yourself that yes, I've realized this, and I really want to go ahead and do something more constructive by transforming myself, right? Then aligning your thoughts at every step is very important. Aligning your thoughts, right? Then I would say nurturing your frame of mind, it's very important. Then I would say that salvation is what, that you should not be doing anything which will cause a loss to someone else or even to yourself. So try to protect yourself and even others from that. So salvation is very important. It's a one step towards wisdom, I would say. Then I would say, when we talk about transformation, the way I have so far talked about these aspects, the next aspect which can come is formulation of strategies that you are going to have in life at every step. So that's very important, I would say. Then comes is optimism, how optimistic you are to transform yourself. So optimism, right? Then comes is revolutionary attitude. You should have a revolutionary attitude, or that your vision has to be in such a manner where that revolutionary trend will automatically get established in your personality. And last but not the least, how are you managing all these aspects that I've mentioned, and how are you managing your life to live and lead your life? So there, these all aspects, collectively, in a consolidated manner, I would say that will give you a sense of being transformed. So that is where, please start thinking about it. And I would say transformation is not so easy. It starts with introspection. Okay, it starts with retrospective aspects that you really want to think about and work on that, and go ahead, move ahead, more positively, more rationally, more aggressively, in a positive manner. So that is what. And I would say all these things will definitely make you a better person. And definitely the others will say that time that yes, he's a transformed person, he's a transformed personality. So thank you so much. This is Dr. Amit Devkure. I'm a life balance coach, master spirit life coach, executive leadership coach, and an emotional intelligence practitioner for last many years. So see the kind of I would say, the flavor or the essence of Skyam you are able to identify, in behind. So I'm just enjoying this. I have already told you I love nature, so I really want to be in nature continuously. And that's the way, if once you can get associated with nature, you can get associated with anything. And that's, I think, initial step to transform. So thank you, keep smiling, be great, be kind, and next time I will come up with something different and something interesting. So keep watching. Thank you so much. And I want to give you a smile because smile is the first step toward transformation. We can say that. So thank you so much.